Explosion. Explosion.
Explosion maintains the sun's internal temperature of roughly 15 million degrees Celsius, which is more than enough energy. A telegraph signal from President Woodrow Wilson triggered a dike explosion, flooding the Culebra Cut and joining.
So instead of using kind of an explosion of colors like we normally do, really reducing everything to red and white and
injury. Her body was scarred from the shrapnel of the explosion. After recovering from her wounds, she had no family, no friends to help her home. She somehow managed to make it to Germany.
Some big volcanic explosion, gigantic earthquake, asteroid.
There's this sort of explosion of people saying, what? Wait, what? And then a massive change. So I think
there was an explosion of stone tool making, more sophisticated weaponry, and
explosion of victims, fatalities, and those who were very critically ill.